Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zapier for automation in web apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zapier website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. This will take you to the Zap creation screen. Begin by selecting a trigger app. The trigger is the event that will start your automation. Search for and select the app you want to use as your trigger. After selecting the app, choose the specific trigger event. Click on the Continue button to move on. Next, connect your account for the selected app. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your account. Once connected, test the trigger to ensure it works properly. Click on the Test Trigger button. If successful, you will see the test data. Now, proceed to the action step. Select the app you want to connect to the trigger. This app will perform an action when the trigger event occurs. Choose the action event that suits your needs. Again, click Continue to proceed with the setup. Connect your account for the action app in the same manner as before. Now, map the fields from the trigger to the action app. This step ensures the data is transferred correctly. Take your time to review the mapped fields. Once satisfied, review the summary of your Zap. Click on the Turn on Zap button to activate your automation. Congratulations, your Zap is now set up and running. You can view and manage your Zaps from the dashboard. Explore the Zap history section to track performance and errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.